Hey yo, Wallab, cops, help. Dude, why are you not moving? Ray, yo. Dude, hey, what's the matter?
Nothing, dude. I was thinking about something.
About what?
My grandpa told me a story. I was wondering about it.
Oh, a story. Interesting. I wonder what is it about?
So, apparently, there was this diamond in my family, and some four idiots stole it in front of my grandpa.
That's actually sad, dude. But you know, past is past, right? You can't do anything. But I wonder, why were you thinking about this for a long time?
Once read about this article.
A teenager of 17 years old found a diamond worth millions. He sold it, and now he's having a world tour with his parents. Whoa.
Hey, once look at the photo in the article. This is crazy, dude. Look at this.
The same picture from the article, right? No, wait a minute. How did you edit this so good? Doesn't look like that. But yeah, how did you make this such a old style thingy? Nice, dude.
It was not edited. My grandpa gave it to me. I photo scanned it and I'm showing it to you.
Yeah, they sure look alike, dude. So, what do you want to say?
I wanted to ask you something. Just wait. What if we could somehow stop the robbery, Tanish? Think about it.
Just imagine, like, what if we could change that fit? Funny.
That's what. What if we could change the fate? Time travel.
You are not thinking straight, Vallabh. Go home, take some rest.
But
It's already late.
hey Tanish, what's up, man?
Could you please come down for a minute?
Yo, Karthik.
Yo, Vallabh.
So, what's the matter?
I called you both because I just wanted to say something.
About what?
Yesterday, Vallabh was talking about some time travel stuff, right?
Yeah?
Oh, yeah, and I'm thinking that let's do it. I don't know anything about this stuff. You guys have to do it. I'm gonna support you guys.
So, what's the plan? How are we three
It's
gonna do
actually
it?
4, not 3. Me and my friend have been working on this time travel
Oh,
for a long
that's awesome,
time.
man.
He'll join us.
That's cool. Alright, let's start it
So,
tomorrow.
let's start it tomorrow.
Yeah.
Alright,
Okay
let's
then,
leave.
see ya.
Hey yo, what's this thing?
According to our research, the energy produced by the photons in the light is used for the machine. So yes, this is gonna be useful.
Oh, okay, that's cool.
Guys, what is the time?
It's 6:40 right now.
Okay, well, I'm leaving.
Why you so early? Let's go together.
Yeah, I will be back again. I have a small work. I have to go. It's a little urgent.
I'm gonna wait until he comes.
Hey Karthik, I thought you already went home. Just came to check out the
I
situation
was
up
waiting for you. I have a feeling that you are hiding something from us.
there. Well, Karthik, if I say that, I don't know what will be the consequences. I don't want to say it. But one thing, make sure you give this keys to Vallabh tomorrow morning when you meet him before you come here. Yeah, that's it.
Alright.
I don't want to say anything now, but I guess you'll eventually understand why I'm doing this all.
Okay, I understand.
Hey Karthik, what's up, man?
Hey yo. Well, I called you because Tani said me to give you these keys.
Did he say anything about why he's giving the keys or something?
No, he didn't say about this, but he said that we are gonna eventually understand.
Okay. Yesterday I had this really weird dream, man. It was like so weird. I was thinking about it since I woke up.
It's just a dream, man. Don't overthink about it. Come on, let's just go.
Alright, let's go.
Vallabh, fix the thing up.
Sure.
Tanish, set up the device.
Alright. So, what's the deal, guys?
This should work.
This may or may not work.
So don't mess it up, boys.
Yo! Guys, so who is gonna do it?
I'll do it.
Are you sure with it?
It's gotta be me.
Why only you?
It's gotta be me cause I had a dream last night. I wanna visit and see what happened.
You'll have 15 minutes to go and come here.
Alright, let's do this thing. I'm going in.
Vallabh,
Oh,
Vallabh,
What happened?
what happened?
it's real. I get it now. Why that chip scan fell down last night.
So, we are doing it.
But there is a problem.
What? What's it?
We only have limited time. We have to rush.
Why is it so?
Because we used the portal yesterday, so there is only less power.
Alright then, let's go.
Hey Tanish,
Yeah?
use this. When you have to come back, press this button. Just this one.
Okay, I get it. Guys, I guess we are at the right timeline.
Let's wait for them.
All we have to do is stop the robbery in time.
Guys, remember this. We have limited time.
ఏ రామయ్య మంచినీళ్ళు తీసుకురా. ఎక్కడ తెచ్చాడు రైడు?
Vallabh, is that your grandpa?
Dude, yes, he is my grandpa.
Guys, there's no one home.
Hey,
Huh?
we gotta hide.
People, we are running out of time.
Guys, what if we take the diamond with us?
That's a good idea. The time's running out too.
Yes.
Get the keys from my grandpa.
Okay!
ఈ రామయ్య గాడేడి? ఒరే ఎవర్రా నువ్వు? రేయ్! రేయ్! ఎవర్రా నువ్వు? రేయ్! ఎవర్రా నువ్వు? రేయ్! రేయ్!
Vallabh!
Search that side. Got it. Let's go. Let's go.
All right.
Guys, come on.
Money.
రేయ్! ఎవర్రా నువ్వు? రేయ్! ఆగండ్రా.
Guys, your grandpa is behind us!
Open the damn portal right
Let's
now.
go! Ready?
Yes.
Let's go!
on.
Yeah!
ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళారు వీళ్ళు? రేయ్! ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళారా?
Karthik, diamond.
Hey, wait there. Oh.
A teen found a diamond worth millions, so apparently a 17-year teen has become the owner of millions of dollars. Now he's touring the world with his parents.
We made it to the terrace, not in the room. Guys? Wait, guys? 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 What happened? Guys? Exactly happened according to the plan, huh? I know exactly what was happening from the beginning.
Thank God Tanish gave us these keys.
I think we are not at the right timeline.
What do you mean?
What do you mean? The guy who stole the diamond? He was the one in the article.
So basically, we are the one who offered him the diamond.
Guys, we messed up.
Hey, let me just check a thing.
Where are you going? Hey Vallabh.
Huh, time travel, it seems. Such an idiot. Oh! Oh!
Sorry.
You idiot! Wait, isn't that Vallabh? Why is he running?
Yeah, Manish makes sense. We are home, but not at the right timeline.
What do you mean?
Oh, it's you. Let me explain. I'm from the future.
Future? What do you mean?
The time travel experiment you guys were doing, it worked for us.
Wait, we guys are doing? Was I involved in it too?
Yes.
Time travel and me? How?
You were convinced somehow.
You guys are ridiculous. What exactly happened? And why are you in the past?
We built a paradox.
Paradox?
Yes.
I see.
Unfortunately, we messed up.
Oh no.
I need your help, Tanish.
What kind of help? I'm not ready to lose you guys.
Do exactly as I say.
What should I do? I get it. I'm gonna meet you guys tomorrow at the base.
Alright,
See ya.
See ya.
Stay safe. Well, I'm leaving.
Why you so
Yeah,
early?
I will be back again. I have a small work. I have to go. It's a little urgent. Guys, we did it. The time travel project is started. Guys, what do you think? Do you want to tell me something?
If we say, it won't happen.
Alright, guys, then I'll see you at the right time.
Hey, Tanish.
Huh?
Make sure you give these to me in the past.
Huh? I'm confused. Why?
Just do it.
Make sure you give this keys to Vallabh tomorrow morning when you meet him before you come here.
Thank God Tanish gave us these keys.
Guys, welcome home. So, this was supposed to be your house, right?
We went back in time and made this fate to ourselves. We can't do anything.
Yes, indeed. Let's just be happy for what we have.
I'll be the roundabout. The words will make you out and out. I spend the day your way. Call it morning, driving through the sun and in and out the valley. The music dance and sing. They make the children really ring. I spend the day.
This is sure a beautiful view at this time, right?
Yeah.
Well, by the way, Vallabh, I just realized this because of this thing, the paradox, the keys. You know, we have 2 keys instead of 1.
Oh my god, yeah. If somebody says time travel one more time, I'm gonna jump off there.
Wanna do it again?
What?